Smart Cut Quote software significantly enhances competitiveness in the laser cutting industry by transforming the quotation process. This innovative system swiftly and accurately meets the need for instant laser cutting quotes, setting new industry standards. It delivers immediate pricing estimates, improving customer service and operational efficiency. Customized for the complexities and material demands of laser operations, the software ensures accurate estimates. It incorporates detailed cost calculations for materials and operations, enriching the estimation process and focusing on cost effectiveness to help businesses develop competitive pricing strategies. By automating operations, Smart Cut Quote reduces manual input and errors, streamlining the quotation process and enhancing versatility for both startups and large enterprises. Its user-friendly interface simplifies the creation, modification, and management of quotes. The software also provides insights into market trends and customer preferences, supporting strategic planning and making sophisticated quoting tools accessible for smaller businesses. Utilizing smart algorithms, Smart Cut Quote delivers precise and competitive quotes, crucial for securing contracts. It aids in efficient quote analysis, speeding up the sales cycle. Additionally, it allows for the personalization of templates to meet various business needs and enhance branding. Seamless integration with existing management tools optimizes operations, while enhanced sales quotation management boosts sales performance. Smart Cut Quote is essential for achieving precision and efficiency, helping businesses excel in a competitive market.